Westlake Plastics, we do extrusion and compression molding of polymers. So we convert basically pellets into stock shapes for various industries, including medical, aerospace, and other industries. So I'm very pleased to be at 𝐷𝐸𝐸 to look at equipment and methods to recycle the products that we make, or even to convert recycled products and to make Westlake Plastics greener.
The 𝐷𝐸𝐸 is the #1 show for plastics. Here you can meet all the experts coming from chemical engineering, plastics processing, as well as machine manufacturing. So if you want to meet the experts and want to talk to the experts, this is the place to be.
So we are showcasing 2 new products, 𝐅𝐸𝐸𝐞𝐨, which is a formable ketone, and also a transparent formable polyamide. I think what is important for our European customers to understand about Westlake Plastics is that we are now not only selling medical grade products, but also opening our range to high performance, high temperature products.
So I belong to 𝐅𝐥𝐚𝐬𝐡𝐛𝐚𝐜, specialized mostly in specialty polymer and specialty chemicals. We were looking for a partner for an innovative technology, and we needed somebody which has proven capability in the extrusion of sheets of high-end polymers. Westlake is a well-known company for that.
It always has been and still is a great pleasure to work together, to really communicate with each other and jointly find synergies and solutions for the customer needs.
What differentiates Westlake is that they're keyed into materials that a lot of others don't produce. Propylux HS rods became very important as a substitute for material that was being discontinued, and it really helped us separate ourselves from our competitors in the life science space. It really is a partnership that goes both ways, and our team really enjoys working with the folks at Westlake. They value our relationship and the customers that we serve.
The service we can provide to customers is really to understand their applications, understand their constraints, and adjust either the polymer or the shape to their applications.